6 crooked highways. I stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. Been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard, and it's a hard, well, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. Well, did you hear my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of a thunder and it roared out a warning, and the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were blazing, heard 10,000 whispered and nobody listening, heard one person starve, heard many people laughing, heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter, heard the sound of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a hard rain gonna fall. What'll you do now, my blue-eyed son? What'll you do now, my darling young one? Well, I'm going back out for the rain starts to falling. I walk with you to depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding their waters, where the home in the valley meets the damp dirty prison, and the executioner's face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, where black is the color and none is the number. And I'll tell it and think it and speak it and breathe it and reflect from the mountain so our souls can't see it. Then I'll stand on the ocean until it stops sinking, but I'll know my song well before I start singing, 'cause it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. This is Bob Dylan, and I'm proud to be part of the mission to make water safe and clean for every human being living in this world.